Welcome. In this short video, I'm going to show you a very easy way to record your presentation on your Mac. You see here, I have a very short test presentation, which I'm going to open in my standard PDF reader. For this method of recording, you can use whatever PDF reader you prefer. Once you have your presentation open, you need to press the key combination Command, Shift, and 5, which is going to bring up this interface. You see here several options. The 3 buttons on the left are for taking a screen capture, and the 2 buttons here in the middle are actually for recording your screen. You have 2 options. You can choose to either record your entire screen, or you can choose to record a selected portion of your screen. I suggest you choose the second option, because if you choose the first option and then full screen your presentation, you're going to lose access to this interface here. So if we choose record selected portion of the screen, we then have this window here, which shows us the portion of the screen that is going to be recorded. And we can drag this to adjust it to the size of our presentation. Here under options, you can choose several things. First, you can choose the location where the video is going to get saved to. Then you can set a timer. That's actually the timer for a delay between pressing the record button and the recording actually starting. So that's a very useful feature. And then, of course, make sure you've chosen the correct microphone. Once you're happy with your options, you can press the button record. And as I mentioned, there's going to be a 5-second delay between pressing the button and the recording actually starting. So if I press the button record now, you can see it's counting down. And now the recording has started. You can go through your presentation very easily. Just talk to your slides. Once you're finished with your presentation and you want to stop the recording, you can press this button here at the top of your screen, and that finishes the recording. If you go then to your desktop, you see here at the bottom right, that's the video of the presentation. You can have a look at it. If you like it, you can click done, and it's going to save it to the desktop. As you see here, it's going to save the video in a MOV format, which is perfectly fine for the purposes of our workshop, because that's one of the files that you can actually upload to YouTube. That's already it. As I said, it's a very easy way to record your presentation on your Mac. And I hope you found this video helpful, and I'm really looking forward to all your presentations at the workshop. Thank you.